Hello, besties. So today I'm going to be taking us down on how to get Udemy courses for free. I'm going to be taking you step-by-step process on how to get Udemy courses for free. And this step-by-step I'm going to lead you on how to take these courses for free, right? So on this tutorial, I'm going to be exposing you to 3 hacks or 3 strategies or 3 means that you can get Udemy courses for free without paying a dime. But please, let me remind us that not all Udemy courses are free, and some of them you have to pay. You have to pay about 25% of the fee, the actual fee of the course. You get, so Udemy is going to give you 75% off the normal price, then you pay 25%, right? So today I'm taking us on a step-by-step process on how to get Udemy courses for free. So things that you need to get Udemy courses for free. You need your Google Chrome, that is your browser, or any browser you have, Firefox, whichever browser that you have available. You need it. And then you need a Telegram app, yes, or you can use the web version of Telegram, whichever way. Whether on your phone or your laptop, you can get these courses for free and you're not paying a dime. So if you really want to get Udemy courses for free, please stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment so that this video can get to more audience. Because once you subscribe and like, comment, YouTube is going to understand that people are getting value from this video, and it will help make YouTube push this video, right? It will make the algorithm to understand that this video is actually adding value. And don't forget to turn your notification, because when you turn your notification, you'll be the first to get notified whenever I put out a video that is bringing value just like this one. So let's get right into it. So the first strategy, you will search for dixudemy.com, enter. So once you're on this page, you can see that this Udemy said free Udemy coupons provider. So they provide you free Udemy courses. This Udemy is free way of learning from beginners to professionals in a way that everybody can understand. Find best Udemy promo codes and deal on this page and get the best savings on your online learnings. Unlike most Udemy coupons provider, this Udemy team clean all expired coupons and try to only active coupons for you, right? So you can see that on this part, they're telling you that this website is a place where you can get free Udemy courses without paying a dime, right? The used coupon that people have used, 77 million, and that's what people have used. Then the viewed coupon is 78 million, and then the active coupon here, active coupons that are available now that you can take this courses for free without paying a dime is 2,694. Then the expired coupons is 48. Then the removed coupons, you can see it's about 15,000. So this website takes away any coupon that is expired. Any coupon that they know that is not, you cannot use anymore, they remove it immediately. Anyone that is expired, they remove it immediately. Do you understand? So we're going back to see. If you want to search by category, you can actually click on category and search where you want this course from. If it's on graphic design, if it's on system programming, if it's on e-commerce, ethical hacking, you can click on the one you want. You can click on if it's SEO, software, whichever way you want to look for these courses. These are the categories where you can click on and search for the courses you want. You understand? You can see per se there's for marketing, lifestyle, social media, personal development, and so many other categories that you can look for these courses on. But let's go on where it says all coupons, right? So when we click on all coupons, it's going to bring out a wide range of courses. You can see for yourself, there are a lot of courses that you can take on Udemy for free. This apply, statistics, reward, problem solving, right? This is MS and is now zero. This is for $64 and is now zero. This is for $64 and is now zero. You know, there are so many courses here that you can take that are going for a very good amount and they're now on zero. So you can take these courses for free, right? So once you click on it, let's use this as an example. Once you click on it, it brings you to this point where you click on take course, it will bring you to this interface, right? So once it brings you to this interface, you're going to see coupon not work for some of them. Once you see this coupon not work, don't panic, we got you. We're taking course on mastering Power BI and Gen AI integration for analytics. That's on data analytics. So once you see this coupon network, you just come here and click on this. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to the interface just where you have to just click on buy course, and that's it. You will get your Udemy course for free. So the next one, the next strategy or the next hack on how to get Udemy courses for free. And let me say something. There are other courses that you can get Udemy courses for free. Before I go to the next hack, you can use course Coursevania. Sorry, you can use Coursevania. Coursevania 2 is another website where you can get Udemy courses for free. Let me open it so you can see. It's just the same way as this Udemy, right? Just the same way as this Udemy. These courses are all free. You can see for yourself. You can see for yourself that they are all free. You can take these Udemy courses for free. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the interface where you apply for these courses and take them for free at no cost. You can see for yourself, right? This is courses you can take on Udemy for free. For free. These courses are free on Udemy. Can you see? Can you see? So these courses you can click on them and take them for free. Let's click on this and see. Let's click on this and see. All right. Once you're on this interface, you just click on get on Udemy, and that's it. So I don't want this video to be too long. Let me take you to the next step or the next website where you can get Udemy courses for free. There's Coupon Scorpion. Coupon Scorpion is another website where you can get Udemy courses for free, right? So once you click on the website, that's it. It says 100% off Udemy, 100% off and free Udemy coupons. Yes, you can get Udemy courses for free, just like the other ones. Click on it and follow the prompts. You get these courses for free. So the next strategy or the next hack, on this first hack, I gave you 3 websites where you can get Udemy courses for free. I gave you Dix Udemy, right? I gave Coupon Scorpion, and I gave Coursevania. These are 3 websites you can get these courses for free. If you're watching my video to this extent and you know you're getting value from this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm going to be dropping the names of these websites or their links on the comment section. So once you want to get Udemy courses for free, you can just go to this website and get this course for free. So the second hack or the second strategy is using Google. Yeah, that's why I said you need Google and Telegram for this thing to work. So on Google, you just come and type 100% off coupons for Udemy. Once you enter this, you're going to see list of websites where you can get Udemy courses for free. You can see for yourself, this is Coupon Scorpion, this is Real Discount, this is Course Joiner, this is Beat Degree, this is so many courses. This is Udemy freebies. There are so many websites, sorry, you can get Udemy courses for free. So just click on this website. You can see they are all 100%, or click on this website and just follow the prompts, just like the way I followed the prompt on Coursevina, on Coupon Scorpion, on this Udemy. Just follow the prompts, you get your Udemy courses for free. So I've given you the first strategy and second strategy. The third strategy, that is where you need Telegram. So once you're on Telegram, you go to the search bar, you go and enter Udemy free courses. Udemy free courses. So once you've entered Udemy free courses, you click on enter. You can see for yourself, there are so many courses here. There's Udemy free courses, Udemy free Coursevina, Udemy courses free, Udemy for you, free Udemy courses. Then you click on the first one or whichever one you want. You can see there are so many courses here. There are so many courses. I can see there's a Python programming course here. I can see there is Salesforce, so many courses that you can take for free. So just click on the link and follow the prompts, and then you get your Udemy courses. You see, can you see? This is Udemy best Udemy courses for personal finance, ways to make money online, offline, and at home. These are courses you can take on Udemy for free. Yes. So once you just follow the prompts, you get these courses for free. Bye.